In this video, I'm going to show you how to install macOS Sequoia or Sonoma on any computer. So let's get started. The first thing you need to have is a bit knowledge of computer, 32 gigabytes of USB flash drive, and macOS installer file. First, you need to know your CPU and your graphics card. So, open Task Manager, go to the Performance task. So, my CPU is i3 9th generation, and my graphics card is Intel UHD Graphics 630. So, go to your browser, type CPUZ, click on the first website, and click on Setup English. But since my computer has got CPUZ already, so I'm gonna open it. So my CPU code name is Coffee Lake. So I'm gonna use a nearby folder for my Coffee Lake CPU. Go to your browser and type like me. Make sure to check your correct EFI folder name, or otherwise it will fail to install and your graphics driver has got some error and faulty issues. Now, if you're using an open core desktop, you're gonna use desktop. If you're using a laptop, choose notebook. Now, you are going to download General S and BIOS. Download for me proprietary. Download Explorer++. Download Mini Tool Partition Wizard. Let me check. Alright, so you're going to download macOS installer file. Scroll down and find your installation. So, if your computer is from 2019 or later, you can use Sequoia to install, but my computer is from 2018, so I can install macOS Sequoia. So I'm gonna use macOS Sonoma, but I've already have my Sonoma installation, so I don't need to download. Also, I will put the links in the description, so make sure to check you guys. Alright, let's begin. First, you're going to download Blender Etcher. Now, install. Now, flash from file, choose your image. Select your USB, and then click on flash. So now in this progress, we're going to generate our SM BIOS, but first extract the EFI folder and extract proprietary. Click on File, Open, go to your EFI, go to OC folder, and then choose on config.plist file. And here, I'm gonna change my Mac into Mac Mini 8,1. You can also keep the serial number. So, let's save the config.plist file. Now, generate its embeds. Now, choose the config.plist file path. Copy the file as path, and then click on Enter. Now, click on Generate as embeds. In this case, I'm gonna use Mac Mini 8,1 for my graphics card. So, you're done. Now, let's wait for the USB. So now, you are going to open Explore++. Run it as administrator. Go to the EFI. Delete all the files. Now, copy the EFI folder. Now, you are going to copy two files here for me. Also, the partition of the open core file. Now, open Explorer++ again. Now, find the open core file, copy it, paste it into the open core partition. Then also open and also copy the EFI file too. Alright, so I have my USB already, so I'm gonna begin to install macOS Sonoma. But the first thing is I need to enter my BIOS to change some configuration. Alright, so we head into the BIOS, go to Advanced mode, and then go to Advanced, choose PCH storage configuration. Remember, do this to change SATA to AHCI, but remember, change it means it will make your Windows can't bootable. So currently my SATA selection is AHCI, so I don't need to change I need to change anything else. So, second thing is you need to disable secure boot. And turn off fast boot. And then save and exit the BIOS. Now, head into the boot menu. Then, choose the UEFI USB drive or open core as well. Now, if the screen appears, you're good to go. Then choose Install macOS Sonoma. Wait for it to load. Be patient, your screen can turn on and turn off like me. But you don't need to worry about the screen turn off or turn on because it will automatically turn on after a few seconds, like this. So now, let's begin the installations. Choose this utility. And then head to disk. In this case, I'm going to use HP SSD disk 120 gigabytes. So now, remember to back up all your important data on the disk. Choose erase and enter the name. I'm going to go with macOS. And then choose the format into APFS and then click on erase. Alright, so click on done. Now, let's begin the installation. License terms, accept, choose your disk you want to install, then click on continue. Wait for the installation completes and you're good to go. Now, after the installation completes, your computer will reboot automatically again. Press boot menu key again and choose open core UEFI USB. Now choose macOS installer. Wait for it a little bit. Now it will begin to install. Alright, so when the installation completes, it will restart your computer again and then it will boot into your USB. Hit macOS installer again. Wait for it. Alright, if it's done, it will reboot the computer again. At this time, it will show macOS disk. So here, you can see macOS disk. So you're gonna hit enter. Alright, when it's boot, it can flashes your screen one or two times, but don't worry, after a few seconds it will turn on again. Alright, if you hear this beeping sound, restart your computer. Restart your computer again if you hear a beep. Alright, so select your country. If it's put into the this menu, then you're good to go. So select your country. I'm in Vietnam, so I'm gonna choose Vietnam. Next, click on next. Choose your keyboard. Next, accessibility. If you have something with your accessibility, you can set up it. This is you sign in your iCloud, but I want to sign it later, so I will set it up later. All right, create your user account. I'm gonna go with Mac. Set up your password. All right. If your computer boots into macOS Sonoma like this, no laggy issues detected or some graphics driver, then you're good to go. But if your computer has an issues with graphics, then you need to set up it later again. So now let's check if my computer is right with my integrated UHD 630. About this Mac, so yes, it's received the right information about my computer. So my computer is 2018 i3 9th generations. It's right Intel UHD graphics 630. Alright, so next we're going to open the on-core configurator partition. So we close this window, head to OCC partition. Then you're gonna choose the open core file that you copy from the Windows. Copy, then paste it, then extract it. Alright, so move the open core configurator out here. Download the updates of the open core configurator. Alright, so it's done. Now let's check my resolution to see if it's the correct resolution for my display. Alright, so my resolution is 1080p. My monitor is 100 Hz, so alright, it's find it in a correct way. So, if you like to use the dual boot, you can copy the EFI folder into the boot manager. I will tell it in later video. So now, for the better and easier dual boot options, you can also boot it from your USB. You can use it from the USB for easier progress. So, if you like this video, then please subscribe and turn on the notifications for receive my new videos. Don't forget to hit the like button, shares with your friends, and I really appreciate you guys watching my video. So, goodbye.